Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. And I'm here with day 2 of the 25 Days of Christmas swap with Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. And I want to show you, she got me the sleds yesterday. And I did them for Scott and I's tree, like I wanted. I didn't have another pine cone, so I just used a little Christmas bulb on Scott's. So that's what they look like. So thank you, Sabrina. Now, let's see. So, there's an extra and a day 2. Woo! Let's dig in. Ooh, I think it's a homemade gift. I do. Look at that. Oh, Sabrina. Look at that. Yeah, put this flat there. It says home. Has the little truck bow. Look at the truck. She used the wrapping paper on the back. Oh, that's creative. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to hang that up in my house. That's cool. I don't know where she got that. That's cool. I love it, Sabrina. So cute. Okay. What is it with you people not putting your name on there? Mark your name or stuff, guys, in the year. I like looking back to see who makes it. If they don't stay, I'll get a sticker. This is so pretty. I love it. Love it, love it. Whoops. My light bulb. Stay there. I love it. I love how you did this. So cool. Look at that, guys. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Can't wait to hang that up. All right. Let's put this. Okay, we'll put it right here. I'll put it right here. I love the truck. And then there's a bonus. An extra. Let's do extra. I'm just going to dig in the extras. This is so funny. The girl knows me. What's why I think it's funny is because yesterday I said that I'm gonna make me some now. That I did my steampunk hats yesterday. That I went to Dollar Tree to see if I could find more like this, because I would have stripped it all off and used them to make my little hats for steampunk. And she got me 2 black ones. So guess what? Yeah, these are gonna be steampunk. Awesome. I alter most 90% of everything I get. This I won't, but like these will be altered. I think I'm gonna just take this stuff off. Oh, I might leave them. Take these off, take this off, and add some gears around. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take this off, put on my sled. And that's metal. I could use the bell. I could leave the bells. Hey, who knows what I'll come up with. But that's awesome. It's like she knew. She knew. That's so funny that I picked out extra one today. But this is so cool. Love it, Sabrina. Love it. See, I got the big bow on my Christmas tree. I have the big bow like this. I couldn't find the little bows. But I found the big one and it's on top of my Christmas tree. That is so cool. Home. And look at Merry Christmas. That's cool ribbon. I don't see that ribbon either. So that is awesome. Got your name on it now. See? Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. I will have Sabrina's channel linked in the description box. Go over and see what I got her. And the thing is I don't remember. I remember some days, but not all the days. It's been a couple weeks since I sent it out to her. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.